What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you guys can see, we have a package here. This package came from Emax, so let's get right to it. We got the double-bladed bat knife on deck. So this is a Babyhawk R Pro, it says. So let's check this thing out. So there it is. Wow. This thing looks awesome. Massive up tilt on the camera there. We got some of these 1106 6000 kV motors. We have a capacitor on the power lead there, an XT30. Coming off the side here, we got a little battery strap. We have a little rubber grip for the battery on the bottom here. See what we got in here. This looks like a controller. We got some extra screws, mounting screws for, I guess, the props. And I'm not sure what the other screws are for. But this is a controller definitely for this cam. And this cam looks like it's a Cadex cam. Let's take the cap off it. Check it out. So we have a full set of these. Oh, it's more than a full set. It looks like we have two sets of these Avon Rush 2.5 props. Really nice props. I have some of those. We have an instructions manual in here. We have this booklet here for the Cadex camera. Instructions manual for it. And that's all we have in the box. I'm not sure if this is the retail version. Looks like it is. So it comes in that looks like it's a retail box there. And so this thing looks pretty nice. Went a little different. Wow, looks pretty nice though. I like it. Let's see. Check it out. So this does have some upgrades from the older Babyhawk. This one, I think they're saying that this one has a 20 amp ESC. Let's see, where's my Babyhawk? This is my Babyhawk R 3-inch. Let's move this stuff to the back there. So this looks like it's not going to fit 3-inch props. It's specially made for these 2.5-inch props. Whereas this will take some 3-inch props. It looks tight though. Let's see. Oh, this isn't my 3-inch Babyhawk. This is my Freak Babyhawk. So this isn't going to fit 3-inch props either. Okay, here we go. Let's slide the Freak Babyhawk back there a little bit. So there we go. So this is the Babyhawk 3-inch. Looks a little different, but it still has that design language. Looks like it's a little wider here on the bottom. That should help hold the battery a little better. We have this little concave part right here on the shell now. Man, I really like it. What do you guys think? Really loving the color. You guys know I love red. And so this thing also has smart audio, something that the other Babyhawks were missing. And so here's my other Babyhawk. I was trying something new here with the props. Let's sit this back there. And so, yeah, I want to see how much this thing weighs. So this thing weighs 90.9 grams. So about 91 grams. For comparison, let's see how much the Babyhawk 3-inch. 93.3 grams for this one. My Freak Babyhawk. 96.6. Wow, this is heavier than that. So let's try this one. 88.1 grams. for the smallest Babyhawk. So this is pretty good with 91 grams, 91.1 grams. Pretty decent weight. It's got 6,000 kV, 1106 motors. So I'm guessing this thing would probably be really nice with 3S. 4S, it might be able to handle it, but the motors might run a little hot. I don't like to run my motors hot at all. And so I'll probably be sticking with a 3S battery for this one. And 3S is really good for these quads. I think 3S is the sweet spot. I think 4S is just overkill. I know a lot of people are liking going to 4S with the 4,500 kV motors, but I just think 4S is overkill even for this guy. With the 3-inch props, I think 3S makes this thing fly really nice. And so 4S is just overkill. I don't really like to fly 4S with any of them. If I was going to do 4S, it would probably be on this guy here to give him a little more punch. But as far as these 2.5-inch props and up, I think 4S is just overkill. And so you guys can expect some flight footage from this coming up really soon. We're going to check this thing out. I'm going to do some FPV with it, definitely. Check out this new camera. I'm also going to do some line of sight. It's the Babyhawk R Pro. Thanks for watching.